Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 12R and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find additional settings. Then let's tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic options. So let's first of all turn off both of those switchers. And now we can freely tap on date and just by swiping change the date. The same situation with the time, just by swiping change the time and it will be immediately applied to the status bar. We can also change the time format from 12 hours, which are currently applied, to 24-hour format. Just tap on the option and it will be, of course, applied. Let's tap on the time zone, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available time zones from which we can choose. So simply find yours and tap on it, like this one, and it will be also immediately applied. However, be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here we've got the option dual clock. Of course, you can turn it on just by tapping on the switcher. And basically, the whole idea of this feature is that your device will display two different clocks. And the first one will show you the time from the time zone you're currently in or the system time zone, and the clock second, you can simply choose it, search for a CT and set the time. There you can decide where you want to display the dual clock on. It's up to you whether you want to use it or not. So that was the manual customization of the date and time, and of course you can go back to all previous settings just by using those switchers to set the time and the time zone automatically. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.